Alright, welcome back everyone. It's time for another episode of More Content Chefs, and today we'll be doing a fabulous broccoli cheese soup. Gonna go ahead and get into that right here by steaming our broccoli. Just like I tell you in prior episodes, be sure to brown it first a little bit in the pan, then hit it with a splash of water, and cover it, and I will steam it. But you don't need to cook this one all the way because we're gonna throw this one in the blender to make a base for our soup. Don't use the whole head in the blender, only use about maybe half to 3/4 of the head of broccoli to make your base. And you're just gonna blend that up with a little bit of water, maybe like a half a cup of water. And you want it to be a little thick, but you don't want it to be too thick. And you just dump that right back on into the pan where you cook the broccoli, and go ahead and add your heavy whipping cream. I added about a cup there. And then there's some powdered onion. Season that with some garlic as well. You want to make sure the base is very flavorful. A little bit of salt, I imagine, is what's next. Yep, that's the salt from the sky right there. Always coming in handy. And then we're just going to give that a stir. Go ahead and stir that up. And that'll start to meld together as you stir. You don't have to stir it too much, just a little bit to incorporate it. As you can see, I left the remainder of the broccoli in the soup to give it a little bit of chunkiness. That's what I like with my broccoli, a little bit of real broccoli cheese soup, a little bit of real broccoli in there. Then we dump in the cheese. That's about a cup and a half of cheddar cheese. I used white cheddar for this. I love white cheddar. I don't know why. I don't think it's any different than yellow cheddar, but it's still good. Okay, so that just starts to boil, and the beautiful thing about heavy cream is it reduces with the cheese, and it kind of melds in a beautiful way. It gives it the texture of a thickener. You know, the high-carb stuff that we don't eat anymore because we're better than that. We're doing the keto life thing, right? All right, we throw that in the bowl, and it already looks delicious. It already looks like I want to go make more. That's the problem with these videos. I always want to make more after. But here it is. It's a beautiful broccoli cheese soup. Totally keto, no sugar whatsoever. Very low carb. Yeah, enjoy it. And sign up for us at More Content, please. MCP at YouTube for more wonderful tutorials just like this one. Have a wonderful day.